Okay.
Also, Emerald, you say that when we do auto database open reset log, when we reset the log, we have to do a backup again, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's a problem because I did that, but after that I didn't do the backup again.
And you try to recover from the
from the old backup, and then it kept giving me the error.
Yes.
I tried to fix it, but I couldn't. Please.
Control file is from before the last reset logs. Okay.
So Emerald,
yes.
What if you have done the assignment then you didn't spool? Are you advised to go back and like do something similar to that and spool, or are you advised to like?
If you really did it right, if
yeah.
you really did it,
yeah.
You notice that your spool didn't work. Just copy the whole screen.
No, like when we were doing it was like a test trial, so we use a lot. For me, I use a lot of.
Okay, so you had a lot of errors.
I just told her.
Okay.
So I don't know what to do.
You know, the thing with the history, it only shows you in the operating system. So that's the thing is that what I used to do.
Yeah.
I would copy whatever I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot already, and I'll paste it somewhere, and when I'll just keep on doing it like maybe many times, and then when I will be done with the assignment, I'll just remove the party that I didn't need and just send it. For example.
So, but on this fact that since how we were just doing like a revision and doing like it, but can we still like do something similar to that, or just do it and pass it? For you to like something similar, like if
Why are you confused? You tell you one time so seen for do or not.
Excuse me, I can. What did you say?
No, like if we we'll still. I will just still do it and then pull it and put it and send it today.
Okay, but you still have the script though.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have your script, then you can just do it quickly after that and then submit.
Okay, I'll do
the
that.
most important is that you know how to do it. That's the most important. Right?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
It doesn't matter if you have errors. It's not supposed to be perfect, actually. Even if you have 5,000 errors, it's fine. The most important is that you're able to get out of those errors, and that your database ends up being open. I'm talking for assignment 5, right? So don't worry about the errors. It's fine. It's actually normal that you have errors at this point. Okay, Mary.
Yes, Emerald, I was doing like this, and then I tried to, because the percentage this percentage use is not good. I used the redo to recover because I deleted all the files to do it.
You deleted all the redos?
No.
Go ahead.
I was doing with the control file because I didn't do another backup after the resetting log.
Yeah.
And then they kept telling me that the system was telling me about the orphan incarnation. So I tried to go back and delete all the file and see if I can recover it from that backup. But once I did that, when I got here and used all the redo, it didn't go through.
Okay, and it's saying that I saw an error earlier. It was saying that the control file belongs to the previous incarnation. So the control files and the redo are not in sync. You know that everything needs to be in sync, right? So if you have SCN from a previous incarnation in one, and then you have session of a different incarnation in the other. That's just can be good, right?
Yeah.
So try to create new control files. Let's try to create new control files. If all fails, then we'll have to just do a point in time recovery from the backup.
Emerald?
Yes.
So, but why she was doing, I think it was a hot cloning. But can't we use the cold cloning, the data file from the cold cloning, the one we back up, the other one we back up?
Yeah, you can use the word from cold cloning, but the thing is that, as we said, right, you won't be doing cold cloning at work.
Okay.
Right, so cold cloning was only for test, for practice, and it was just to make sure that whatever happened, for example, if your backup fails, you can still recover your database, right? Yeah. But normally you shouldn't be doing I mean, you should have a cold cloning somewhere maybe, but you shouldn't rely on cold cloning. As soon as you know how to do user managed hard backups, you shouldn't be doing I can almost say you shouldn't be doing cold cloning anymore, because you won't be doing it at work. You know that DB2 is what you'll be doing at work, right?
Yeah.
Emma.
Yes.
I had the same problem, but I resolved it with the redo from the source database.
She's not doing cloning here. She removed the Redulog files.
Okay. Yeah, because I tried all my Redulog from the target database, it wasn't going. So I tried from the Redulog, it went. From the source database, it went.
Please, Emma, I'm trying to connect on my Winnie CP.
Okay. You like to go to Trace.
Where's everybody?
Where were you on Friday?
On Friday?
Yeah.
I thought my absence will not be noticed.
Well, it was noticed.
I had an appointment anyway.
Okay.
Emerald, will we be answering both assignments today?
No, we'll only be doing the other thing that we already did. So we'll only be working on the cloning, the odd cloning, and recovery with Redulogs. And if someone else has other issues, we can share it. I wanted to ask someone who tried, or they tried but they didn't get it well, to try to recover, but people are not.
Because I had an issue while creating my recovery catalog, and I'm not sure why, because in the previous assignment, I was able to create it. The one in Canvas, I was able to create it, but when it came to the extra assignment you gave, I wasn't able to create another one.
You were supposed to, it could have been the same thing though. What happened?
The same one?
Yeah, you're supposed to add database to recovery catalogs if it existed already.
Yeah, but does it matter? Because I remember while we were doing it, you added one already to my database. And then I added another one. So I didn't think adding another one would have been an issue.
That's what it's for, right? To add the database.
We can't hear you.
Someone is making
I
noise.
need to mute people here, like.
Yes.
Who's that?
Just mute everyone then.
They will take control.
It's Grambaka. It's coming from there.
No, not me.
Okay.
Children brought up by single parents.
It's Joseph. Okay, it's better.
Thank you.
There you see the Grambaka.
Sorry, I beg.
All right, you're good.
Okay, so Mary, did you find the trace control file?
Emerald.
Yes.
And what Anita was trying to explain, my group and I faced the same issue when we were trying to create a recovery catalog because I had created it before on Friday.
Did you guys create another database or you create another schema?
Now we cloned the new database from your assignment, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And we wanted to create a new recovery catalog, but we couldn't. Meanwhile, I had already.
That's what I'm asking. Did you create another database?
Yes.
Or did you create another schema?
Yeah, I created another database. I cloned another database.
And another schema too. I created another schema.
Yes, exactly.
In which database?
In the clone database. The OR twin.
Yes.
Okay, so you turn OR twin into the catalog database.
Yes.
Okay. So what was the problem? You were not able to add
to create
all the databases to.
No, I wasn't even able to create the catalog itself.
Exactly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll be working on that. Mary, what happened?
Please watch my machine, Emerald. Sorry.
7-Eleven. Marie.
Sorry. My machine was pausing. I can't find my municipal. I don't find my recipe. I'm trying to.
You can find your WinRCP. Did you have it yesterday?
Yes, I have it yesterday. Even today I was working with it. Now I'm typing and then I can see it. I was working early with it.
Go take it from that map now. You've seen a map they put Wisconsin. Just go there and move it.
Now I put on a map.
Just to open the link that you had from DB, the link you had from DB1, it will lead you to where you have your WinRCP and put it installed.
I think it will take a little time. So somebody will share the screen and then you come back to me.
It shouldn't take long. You just connect to, okay, if you want, someone else can do something else and then we'll get back to her later.
Yes, okay.
Yes, Baka, share your screen.
For what?
For the assignment.
I'm using my phone.
Okay, Bello, you can share your screen since you said that you were not able to create the recovery catalog, right?
Okay. Is my screen share?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay.
Name is already used by an existing object.
The catalog?
Error from recovery catalog, table of view does not exist. So the name you use is already used by another object.
Oh, so so I probably need to create a new user, a new schema, right?
Right.
Oh, so that's what it means. Okay.
Let me see, create user what?
But does it matter if it's not in the same database?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
So you connected to Armand from.
Huh?
I think there must be a different user in that database. Okay, wait. Can you exit SQL first?
No, I was connected to the user before I.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the reason.
Because what does it say? Name is already used by an existing object.
Up here? Okay, yes, up here, right?
Yes, exit. You're connected to which database?
To O-Twin.
Okay. So the name of the catalog in ARCAT is also backup?
The name of what?
Of the recovery catalog schema.
Yeah, yes, the name of the recovery, yes, is Baka.
Okay, so you want to change the name.
So should I opt out? Should I create a new user?
Create a new user. You can drop that one since you're not going to need it in.
You know, I'm not getting. I don't know me the name, but that's no just go for place for toilet.
I cannot see the bottom of your screen.
Oh, my bad.
I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe. Just check out for bathroom section. For section for toilet and other kinds of things.
Chair, can you mute yourself?
Connect and what?
Recovery catalog. Recovery underscore catalog.
Underscore owner, right?
Yep.
Grant resource as well. Some people even just grant.
Okay, I can connect now, right?
Catalog.
Okay, I'm good.
Okay, so you created, now that you created the thing is that with the recovery catalog, right, you need to know that it's on its own, but it has access to different databases. Does it make sense? So
Yes.
one catalog we would have access, would have the information about ORCL, we'll have information about the other database, and then the other database. So it knows that the catalog, let's say BACA, the catalog BACA has those information. You can recover. Arman, which shows that, okay, you can recover using information from that catalog. So you cannot have two catalogs within the same system, if that makes sense.
Yes.
You cannot have the same name.
Yeah, because I'm sure I have a user in TLS demo called Baka. And I'm now connected to OTwin. Could that be the reason?
No. You can have, what's the name of your recovery catalog in RCAT?
In what?
RCAT. You don't have RCAT?
No, I don't have a test.
I think it's Brontech, Arman, Brontech, something.
I have a test.
Do you have a database RCAT?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
So you didn't do assignment 6.
I have about 6 AMA databases. So I did 2 cloning tests and this OTwin.
Okay, it's okay. But yeah, but assignment 6 was due today though. Actually, it was due on Friday. Okay, it's okay.
Okay. So
you created a catalog. Now you want to register the other databases, right?
yes.
That catalog, yes.
I've registered all the other databases. So it was this one that this one is the latest, it's my new database.
If you just created a catalog, it means that you didn't register any database to that catalog. It was just created.
I'm saying this is the second catalog I'm creating. So the first one I created it in test. I registered TLS demo and the other database in it with it.
Okay. So do you have another database that you can register to that catalog?
Oh yeah, yes. I have a class database.
Okay.
So I should exit.
No, it's Arman target.
Okay, yes, thank you. And catalog.
Slash space catalog, the name of your catalog and the password. At database.
The target database is not started.
It's not started?
Yeah, you need to start it.
Okay.
Exit. Start it. It's very important to always pay attention to the status of the database when you connect to Arman. Select status from Vidala instance. If it's open, it means that you're not connected to the right database.
It should be open because I created backup with it.
Okay, exit then. Show me the SQL statement you used to connect to Arman.
The one I used to connect?
To just connect to Arman, yes.
Okay, this should be it.
You change the environment to FKBDMO, right? Okay.
Yes.
Target / catalog bold. Okay, it's saying that you can see it says not started.
Yeah.
So it's not reading from it. TNS being your database. TNS being FKBDMO.
Okay.
FKBDMO. Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So connect back to Arman. It should say database open. It shouldn't say not started. If it says not started, it means that it's not seeing the database, basically. Okay, now you're good.
Okay.
Wait. Target database is All-Twin.
Yes.
All-Twin is not supposed to be the target database.
No, it is.
FKBDMO is supposed to be the target database. Right?
No. ML, I created this is a target database because this is where I created the catalog in.
Oh, your SQL statement. Okay.
So I want to register this this database. This
yes, you want to register the target database. That's the target database. All-Twin is the catalog database.
Yes.
So you want to exit.
Okay.
Show the environment. It looks like you're still. Show the environment. Dot space ORM. You see, you're still connected to All-Twin. So you want to connect to FKBDMO. Now open.
Okay.
Down. Okay. I'm going to start up. Okay, now you can connect back to Arman. Okay, you're good. Every time you're doing you're using Arman, because you'll be using Arman a lot. You'll be doing 2 types of cloning with Arman: backup-based duplication and active duplication. Always pay attention to the status of the target database. if it says connected to target database, but it would not started, it means the database is shut down, and there's nothing you can do with RMAN if the database is shut down, right? Let alone the duplication. So always make sure that you pay attention to the status, because you might run into an unnecessary error just because you forgot to select the database and have to do the whole thing over again, right? So always pay attention to the status. If it's mounted, it will show mounted. If the instance is started, we say instance started. If it says not started, it means the database is completely shut down, right? Okay. So now you can register the database to the catalog. Register database. Okay, good. So you literally just did assignment 6. That's basically assignment 6, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
You didn't even take 10 minutes, did it?
No. So I have one quick question, am I right?
Yes.
So if I make X, okay. So can I use this recovery catalog to back up my database, and in case of any crash, will I be able to recover using the catalog?
Using a catalog?
Yes.
Will you be able to back up using a catalog?
No, like to recover.
The catalog would have information about the structure of your database, right? About the control files and about all the backups that were made and done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This is what the recovery catalog is for. You would still need to do backups. You can do backups on with RMAN, and the recovery catalog would have the information about those backups.
So as of now, it doesn't have it?
No. Do you have any backup? Or you can also add backups to the recovery catalog. Actually, yeah, this is part of the assignment, right? I think This is the assignment. So do you have any backup of that database?
Of which one of them?
Of that database, FKBDMO.
No, I don't have a backup of it, but I have a backup for the O-Twin.
O-Twin?
Yes.
Okay. Add ORCL. Add ORCL to that catalog.
It's registered to another catalog.
Okay. Do you have another database?
Yes.
That is not cataloged yet?
No, only this one. So unless I will have to
Okay. Connect to the other catalog, and I want you to register a backup to catalog a backup that were done before you created the recovery catalog.
No, I don't understand.
Because I want you to catalog a backup.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Or what we can do is actually, let's do the backup now, so you can catalog the backup. So take a backup of FKBDMO, do a user managed hard backup of that database.
Okay.
Lord, I have a question. If you have like 20 database, and then you want to register those 20 database to a recovery catalog,
yeah,
are you going to be connecting on each database to do that, or it's a command to register all of them at the time?
No, you have to connect to the database to register them to the recovery catalog, right?
Yes.
Yes. Are
So
you saying
to do each
can you register the database from the recovery catalog?
Say it again.
Are you asking if you can register database from the recovery catalog?
No, I'm asking that if you want to register a database to a recovery catalog, if you have like 20 database, because it's one recovery catalog that we creating for multiple database, right?
Yes.
So if you want to register all those 20 database, do you have, so each time you have to connect on each database to do that?
Yeah, to register, yes.
So there's no command to do all of that?
Registering, right?
Yes.
No. You have to connect to, because you need to have to connect to have the privilege to connect to the database themselves. You have to register that database to the catalog. And for you to connect to Arman, you connect as SIS, right?
Yes.
You need to have the privilege. Although otherwise, you just be able to connect to any database that you don't have access to.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
But from the recovery catalog, you can view all the databases that are in the recovery catalog.
Yes.
So let me take it back up.
Yes. Sure. That's the first practice. Before doing that, you want to check where your files are located. Right?
And I know where they are. Anyway, let me just check it.
You already checked it. And we
Oh, you already checked.
For the benefit
Okay,
of that, let me still check.
Yeah, for the sake of learning.
Is it members or member?
Member. No S.
If it's $log, it's members. If it's $log file, it's member. Okay. So you have everything in /oradata/fkbdmo, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's good to always select name, because from chapter 8, you guys will be having data files in different locations and stuff like that. Okay. CAP or CP?
CP.
So I want to put it in this directory.
Yeah, is this one empty?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Copy, uncle. Just go.
Big G say, "Oh, bolo na bolo."
Bello, please, I have a question.
Okay.
You are trying to do a hard backup, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's doing a hard
I
backup.
see you doing a shutdown about.
Shutdown about for hot backup.
Oh,
That's just for cold backup.
That wasn't expected from you, Renalda. Really?
Even for cold backup, we don't do shutdown about now.
really?
Yeah.
Okay, you say we do show that about when it's a system file.
When we want to recover, when we want to recover.
Oh, okay.
Shutdown abort is basically when there is a crash, right? If your system is missing, whether the system file missing, or your control files, or your redo logs, you have no other trouble to do shutdown abort, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because even if you do shutdown immediate, in many cases, it won't even let you shut down immediate. But you never do shutdown abort to do a backup, whether it's a cold backup or a hard backup. You never do shutdown abort because it's inconsistent shutdown.
Mm-hmm.
But Emerald, I was doing something the other day. I don't know.
And you shutdown abort?
No. I deleted the redo log and then I shut it immediate and then it went to.
Yeah, I say sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes you might not be able to do it.
Okay.
Okay, Emerald, it means
But
that
you
if you
should
do
not
it,
do shutdown immediate. You should not do, because when there is shutdown immediate, right, there is checkpoint takes place, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you don't want any if you have system 01 missing, if you have files missing, for example, or let's say you only have system 01 missing, but you still have your radio information, you don't want that checkpoint to take place, because the database itself is already crashed. Even though the instance is up, your database is not up, because as soon as you shut down and you try to start up, you won't be able to do it. So if checkpoint takes place, only some files would be checkpointed, but the other ones that are corrupt or that are gone, checkpoint wouldn't take place. So that's why you always have to shut down abort.
Okay, no, I'm done.
Make the recovery. Okay.
You want to go to
Okay, to make the recovery easier. Okay, good.
So let me connect to the catalog.
Yes, connect to the catalog, and you want to register. Make sure you remember the path that you have.
Catalog start with.
Okay, so what next?
Catalog start with, you put the backup location.
Okay. As a start with?
Yes.
I thought you did assignment 6.
And then you put in strings in strings.
Emma, I told you when anyways.
Open strings. It's okay. At least you're learning how to do it now.
Yeah.
That's the good thing. Yes. Close strings, semicolon.
Are you sure I even have this assignment? Because you made
Yes.
mention of the database I've never heard of.
Yes, this is the Canvas assignment.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the Canvas assignment.
Yeah.
We were doing by the one she sent.
So yeah, the redos didn't go.
Yes, it wouldn't catalog the redo, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so you're good.
Why?
It doesn't catalog the redo log files. You didn't know that? It only keeps the archive logs. Okay, so all the other ones were catalog, right?
Yes.
The redos and control files.
Okay. Okay, all right. So I guess I should stop sharing my screen.
Right, you're good.
Okay, thank you.
However, you can take a normal backup and you can back up the control files using Arman. Okay, you're good. Are we good?
Yes.
Yes, mommy.
I'm the one here.
Hey, Emerald.
Yes.
I have a question about the I was trying to restore my temp file, and I was unable to put it offline.
How come you were not able to put it offline?
I don't know. I described it. So when I tried to alter it, to issue the command, it wasn't successful.
Okay. Okay, so you can share your screen. Thank you, Bello, for practicing. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Emerald.
Yes.
Also,
Mary, you're good now?
Yes, I'm good now. So after him, I'll share my screen.
Okay.
So after restoring log, when you run another backup, do you delete the old one before begin another one?
If you want it to be in the same location, yes, you should delete the other ones.
Oh, okay.
And then back it up to the same location. You don't want to override backups.
Oh, thank you.
So, can you see my screen?
I cannot see your screen. Can you guys see his screen? Oh, I can see your screen now.
Okay. So like I said, I described was able to describe the temp file right here. When I alter database temp file 3 offline, is it, or maybe I'm doing wrong?
I cannot see the bottom of your screen.
Oh. Can you see now?
Temp file. First, you wrote temp file instead of temp file, right? Right? Did I see that right?
Patrick, you have you didn't put file, you put pile. Temp file instead.
Temp file.
All right. Let me go back.
And it's alter table space. The name of the temp table space, temp file. The name of the temp file offline.
It's not alter database.
You can use alter table space. You can use alter database.
Alter database data file.
No. I cannot see the bottom of your screen, the bottom of your screen.
Can you see now?
I still can't see for some reason. And it's not even full screen. Can you just remove the bottom from the bottom of your screen? Can you just put it a little bit up?
Can you see now?
I still cannot see it. I don't know if it's only me, but I cannot see it. Okay, now I can see it. For some reason, I cannot see it from my computer, but I can see it from my phone. So go ahead.
Okay.
Wait, this is not the name of the table space. You could just have used alter database. Use alter database in this case. If you want to use alter tables, you need to name the table space, or you can just use alter database.
Okay, alter database. Because I'm looking at it from here when I described it. From here, it says temp.
No, that's the name of the table space. That's not the name of the temp file.
Okay.
So describe v $temp file. That's why it didn't go through.
So select file name, file number, status.
No, instead use DBA. I'm not seeing the name. Okay, I have file number. Yeah, use file number.
Yes, file number, status.
File number, name. TS number, table space number.
Is it TS number?
Yes. TS number, space, from $temp file. No comma.
No comma.
Oh.
You don't want the status?
It's not offline, is it? Put this, add the status.
Okay.
Add the status.
You said no row selected.
You don't have any temp file?
I have one.
Well, where is it? It looks like you don't have any temp file.
Okay, let me describe it.
You probably deleted it and didn't recover it.
No, I recovered everything.
Anyway, one thing is sure that he doesn't have it. Try to list it.
All right. Right here.
Well, it's not being read by the instance. It's not read by the instance. The instance doesn't see it. So did you drop the data file?
No.
Logically? Then how come it's not there logically?
I
have no idea.
I think this location is a location for the backup.
Yeah, this is a backup location.
This backup location. This is not the file.
No, you need to go to the live location.
Exactly.
You guys know that you need to document your errors, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you cannot just say, I don't know how no, you should know how it disappeared, what you did. You have to know.
It's right here.
Okay, temp is there. So what happened? What did you do?
Like I said, I was practicing different scenarios. So when I get to this scenario, deleting the temp file, and I wasn't able to like we did earlier to read it, the temp file.
Okay. So did you drop it? That's my question.
No, I did not.
So where is it? Physically, it's there. Logically,
Yes.
it's gone. If you select file name, if you have another database and you select file name, file hashtag name, you will have information about that temp file. But now when we do it on your database, we don't have any information. So it's not there, right?
Okay, the only thing I did, again, when you do scenario 4, the first thing you do, you remove the temp file. And that's what I did.
That's scenario 4?
Yeah.
Was it temp file? Which one? Assignment 5?
No. Remember when we started doing the backup scenarios? Scenario 4 was removing the temp file.
Okay, let me take a look at that. Assignment 5. I don't think temp file was one of them. 4 was redo logs. Or do you mean in the notes?
Yes.
User backup scenarios. Okay, let me take
exactly. User management backup scenarios.
Really in class. So did you delete the temp file first?
I will remove it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
So you removed it logically or physically?
No,
because it should actually be the opposite.
I remove it physically.
But not logically.
Not logically. Not from the operating system, no.
Okay.
Not from the database. I remove it from the operating system. So physically.
Okay, I'm looking for that scenario 4. Case 1, 2, 3, 4.
And I remember on the video.
This is scenario 4. The added data file was lost after hard backup. The thing is, this case scenario 4 is for test table space. So it's not a temporary table space, right? It's a normal table space. But you're using, who's making that note?
Where's my computer?
Okay.
Let me
Ben, just put it inside water.
Okay, what you want to do is connect back to SQL. I'll add a second temp file.
Okay, so you say connect to SQL?
Yeah.
You say add another temp file?
Yes, add a temp file to the temp table space. So add alter table space temp, add temp file. For some reason, from my computer, I cannot see your screen. Who's making that noise? Oh my goodness.
Bello.
Can you see now?
He needs a new computer.
You have to drag your screen up.
I think it's that 7-Eleven computer.
It's all the way at the bottom.
Say that again, Anita.
You drag your screen up. Like if you can drag.
Oh,
Yeah.
drag it up.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Thank you. Okay.
Is it better?
Good. Yes, that's better.
Okay. So
I think you need to put the name of the table.
Alter table space temp. Alter table space temp. The name of the table space is temp, right?
You say alter database, add temp.
No, alter table space temp. And you want to add the temp file.
No, add the table space temp.
You need to specify the name of the table space.
You put add, remove it, add. Then temp.
Temp. Okay.
Add.
Open strings. No.
Temp file.
Open strings. Add temp file. Open strings.
Oh, open. Okay.
Slash, what is it? Or
Slash temp 2. Dot DBF. I want to give you the size.
So that's big enough.
Yes. Okay. Now select file number status from Vidala temp file.
It's a table number.
Status. Okay. You see, you only have one file. So that temp01 that you see there, exit listed on ORACL. Listed. It's basically not being read by the instance.
So this one is not read by the instance.
No. It's like it doesn't exist, right? So you
Right.
can just remove it.
Okay.
It's useless.
All right. All right. Thank you.
So you can remove it and recreate it. It's a temp file. You know, temp files are used to store temporary data, right?
Right.
So by creating new ones, you're not risking to crash your database or anything. So connect back to SQL. And if you want to create a temp one again, you can just do that.
Okay. I think I'm good from here.
Okay.
Thank you.
So in the process, what happened? It's good for you to remember what happened. So did you drop it? Because it looks like you drop it.
No, like I said, I went through the videos. I noted all the points.
Okay.
And then the first thing was to remove physically that temp file.
Yes.
From the operating system, and I did that. And then
but how come it was still there then?
Physically? Say that again.
How come the temp file was still there physically?
Because I restored it. I did practice it. I think 2 or 3 days ago.
Did you put it offline?
I was not able to.
Okay. Okay, so
it's there because yesterday I was practicing the I think removing all the control file and data file. And then I did a mistake and I restored everything from the code backup.
Okay.
So that's why it's it was back again.
Okay. But my question is, how come it disappeared from the instance? Did you drop it? Did you put it offline? What happened?
No. Until now, I'm still finding the answer. I did not drop it from the database.
Did you put it offline?
No, I wasn't.
There has to be something that you did, It's fine to have errors, it's fine, but it's good to remember what happened.
I understand what you're saying.
Yes. Okay.
And another question.
Sure.
We have an issue earlier with a group member, because he tried to get into the TLS DMO database to do his homework, but he wasn't able to because of the memory issue.
Okay.
So I remember you explained and you tried to fix one issue like that in DB1.
Yes.
So we tried to go back to to his to open his P file. So we were not able to from TLSD.
He couldn't open his P file?
No.
It's me, Emerald. I couldn't open it.
You couldn't open your P file?
Because of memory issue.
I cannot get into any of my databases. My memory is 100% exhausted.
Okay, we know how to fix that from DB1.
Right,
we
so
know how to fix that, and we even fixed it again at the beginning of DB2, right?
I tried, but it's not working. Maybe I'm missing something.
Who's that?
It's Pius.
Okay, share your screen.
Let me open this computer. Okay.
This is the last time you are fixing that issue. The last time. But maybe it's a specific scenario. I don't know. But let's look at it. Maybe it's different. Something is happening actually.
Okay.
You know, that's what you always say last time.
I know, right?
That's what I wanted to say.
Okay. Let me see. Oh. Okay, this is the issue. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, so your user one is 4. Wow. And your error data is only at 16%. There's a problem right there, right there. Something is wrong. How come your slash error data with all that we've been doing, creating catalog databases, ORCL, TLSDMO, cloning, how come you only have 16%, let alone FRA, all the backups that we've been doing? How come you only have 16% in slash error data? Can you explain that?
No, I cannot.
Okay, CD to user one. Feed it to slash user one. CD to APP.
They say CD what?
CD space APP.
Okay.
Okay. DU space minus SH space all. DU.
Let me stop the other computer. I'm hearing the double.
Okay.
Okay, say that again, please.
DU space minus SH. Space minus SH space all.
Okay. Okay, space.
Oh.
You said
no, space minus SH. SH space all.
Enter.
Anyone, if you do DF space minus H and you see that your error data is below 20, even 30%, something is wrong. You've been doing something wrong. Okay, CD to Oracle. CD to Oracle.
Okay. CD to Oracle. Enter.
List files.
Yeah, I'm ready.
List.
Okay.
DU minus SH.
Am I right?
DU minus SH.
Okay. Space minus SH.
Yeah, do the same command you did earlier.
Okay.
Space all.
Okay.
Hello, I'm sorry.
Okay. Product.
Okay, you can see that your DIAG is 1.4 gigabyte. Why do you have 1.4 gigabyte worth in your ADR, right? So you want to go there and CD to your ADR, CD to DIAG.
Okay.
CD list.
List.
CD RDBMS. Okay, DU space minus SH, or because you never know.
So just it's 3, you say?
Yeah, DU space minus SH space all. What? I was not expecting that. You see, that's why it's always good to check. I was expecting I was expecting everything to be in RDBMS, but it's actually in TLS listener. Okay. So CD to TNS listener. So that's why it's always good to make sure that you check everywhere.
Okay.
So yeah, CD to TNS. What happened to your listener? How come it would get so full? Okay.
I don't have no idea.
I don't have either.
You say space or?
No, it's not the right spelling.
Oh.
Okay. TNS LSNR.
Okay.
Enter. Okay, list. Okay, CD to student 75. How come your
Enter.
list CD listener?
That is NR. Wait, it's edit NR. Oh yeah.
Listener, LIS.
It's over there.
No,
Copy it
LISTN.
from here.
You can read
Okay.
it from there, blue.
You copy it. You can
Okay, well, yeah, just copy it from here.
Yeah.
No, that's not what you want. You want what you just listed. So it's listener.
You want what
Oh,
you
this, okay, the whole thing. Okay. Right here.
Yeah, you change the directory to go into that directory, right?
Say that again.
You change directory to go into that listener directory to know what's actually occupying all the space. So list it again.
Okay.
Okay. DU space minus SH space all. This is the last time we are doing this, like seriously.
Well, you see, the last time you did it, I didn't see you do it.
Okay. So I hope that this time everybody is seeing me do it.
Okay.
Okay. Or is seeing you do it.
Okay.
Okay. What's actually alert? Okay. From is coming from your alert. So CD alert. and also from the trace.
Okay.
So CD to the alert directory.
Enter.
Enter.
List.
List. Wow. Okay. rmall.xml. .xml.
Space.
.xml.
Enter.
Yes. I don't know if it will let you remove. Okay, list. Okay. Go back to the trace directory and remove as well. It's occupying a lot of space as well.
Okay.
So CD space data. And I have another question for you. How come you only have 16% in your Aura data?
Wait, the last time you sent me a text that that I have whatever in U01, but you did not fix it, and I didn't know how to fix it.
When was that?
That was about a month ago.
A month ago, you were in DB1.
Yes, because I had this same issue, but you fixed it, and I was asking you how you fixed it. You said you deleted some, you made some space on the alert lock.
Yeah, that's exactly what we are doing. You're actually doing right now. And we
Yeah,
did
but
it in
I didn't see you do it. That's why I wanted to know, but I didn't see you do it.
Okay.
Okay. So you say cd dot.
CD dot dot. Go to the previous directory and then CD to trace.
Okay. Another cd dot dot.
Yes.
You have to read now.
Okay.
It's already back on 7.
Tomorrow, please, I have a question. So what
No,
kind
no,
of
CD listener still. You went too far. You were supposed to do CD dot dot only once.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tomorrow, what kind of alerts are these in the listener directory?
Now,
They are alerts for the listener and TNS names.
I didn't hear you.
CD trace.
Okay.
Please.
It's like this class will contribute money for me to buy a new laptop. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, they are for the listener trace files. Connection related trace files.
Okay.
Box. Okay. Can you do DU space minus SH? I'm trying to see what's actually that heavy. Okay. It's listener.log.
Enter.
Yes.
Please.
Did you do DU space? Okay. So you remove listener.log.
I should do what?
Remove listener.log.
Let's see, listener.
Over here, the first line.
Okay, list again or?
Yeah, list.
Okay, you're good.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, thank you.
You notice the size of the listener.log, right? It went from 405 megabyte to 1 kilobyte. So you can exit. You can go back to df space minus h.
Yeah.
It's still 92. It should actually be less than that. So cd to /user1/app/oracle.
Okay.
I think you also have stuff in your FRA. No, slash. Always put slash before when you put. Yes, because it's from the root directory that, okay, app/oracle.
And right there?
Yes, go ahead. Now you want to do du space minus sh all. Okay, what is it? Okay, you still have 56 megabyte in your diag, 6.6 in product. I think for that is normal for product. 1.4, 9.5. If you remove 56, I think that's good for now. You can remove, or you can still remove from your diag. I mean, we already did the process from diag and from FRA, but that's basically it. There's nothing major that needs to be removed at this point. But make sure that you go back to your diag and you remove it. Now try to connect back to your databases.
Okay.
One of the databases.
Oh, just exit there. Let me exit.
So Emerald.
Yes.
So that means to avoid this kind of issue, we have to time go to our trace file. And,
yeah, you should check your space often. Make sure that you're not about to, yes. Yes, I had another question for you. My question was, how come? Normally, it should be the opposite. Normally, your Aura data should be at around maybe 60% full, and your user one should be like 70. And I would expect it to be like something like 70 or 80. So can we go and look at what you have in /Aura data?
Okay. Should I log into one of my database first? Or which one should I do?
Yes, connect to SQL.
Okay. All right, it's logging on now. Wow. So exit.
Okay, it's got you're connected. Okay. Can you cd to Aura data?
/Aura data.
And list. Well, looks like you have your FRA, NATO scripts, my scripts, TLSDMO. Okay. I guess you're still at 16%, but it's okay.
Okay. Thank you. I'll remember this.
Please do so. So anyone who needs help, just go to...
Call me?
Yes, just call him.
Thank you. Let me stop sharing.
Okay, so Mary, you can share your screen.
Okay.
Emerald.
Did you find the SCP?
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, Emerald. I have a quick question, please.
Sure.
In the assignment, like the one you're posting on the group,
yes,
that's an extra assignment, right?
Right.
But the one, which one is the specific assignment that we're supposed to do? Like, because I always get it wrong. Because most of the time when you tell us to do an assignment, you still send another assignment on the group.
You're supposed to do all the assignments, but you're supposed to first do the assignment that
is in the canvas, right?
Yes, because they are the easiest one. If you cannot do the assignment on Canvas, don't even think about doing the assignment that I submit, right? First, do the assignment on Canvas, and if you can do the assignment on Canvas, then you can try to do the assignment that I sent. But if you start doing the assignment that I sent, well, the chances for you to and you cannot do the assignment on Canvas, don't even think about it. You won't be able to do it. Because the assignment on Canvas would allow you to understand what it is actually that you're doing. And if you want to have a little bit more practical, more knowledge about it, then you can do the other assignments, right?
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
I'm waiting for Prof to come and talk to you guys. Because the people who've not been submitting, I was kind of, wow. Some people are only submitted one assignment. They only submit assignment 1. And it was supposed to start assignment 7 today, chapter 7 today. Right? That's not good.
It's really not good, Emerald.
And DB2 is almost done. You guys know that, right? You only have 1 month left. If it's too much, it's 1 month, 2 weeks left. Sure. And that's it. You won't be doing DB2 again. You'll be in project, and trust me, project, you won't even have time to go back and do DB2 stuff because you'll be busy doing project stuff. So take DB2 seriously, though. Seriously. You only have 1 month left. If you're still on assignment 1, please, really try to catch up. You only have 1 month left. It's not like DB1 where you were like being slow because you're like, it's new, but now you're I see you, Prof sees you as people you pass the DB1 exam, so I think that we expect you to already be able to do on your own.
We'll catch up.
I know you will.
I have a question before Prof comes.
Instead of just after the base backup control file to trace, can you put the specific path for /ORAData/ORCL so it will be easy, faster to retrieve because you have so many files in the trace directory. Yes, Ronaldo.
Okay, I know my question is stupid, but it's not possible to copy something while the database is up, right?
Is it to copy something?
Is it possible to issue the copy command while the database is up?
What's the copy command?
CP.
It's an operating system command, right?
Uh-huh.
So it's not related to, it's not a SQL command.
Okay. Anyway, my confusion is...
So you can.
Oh.
Because they're not related anyway. The database can be shut down, can be up, you can still copy whatever you want to because it's taking place in the operating system, not in the database. Right?
Okay. I've been wrongly doing my backup because anytime I was doing my normal user backup, I did the shutdown report and it worked. I don't understand how.
No, you can copy. You can copy because it's an operating system command. Your database can be crashed and you can still copy because they are cousins, but they are not related like that. They are distant cousins. So you're copying, right, but you're copying an inconsistent database because you shut down a board. Checkpoint didn't take place, so it's an inconsistent shutdown. When you want to do a full recovery using those inconsistent backup, you may have problems. So you will literally be relying on luck here for it to open, basically.
Okay, because I remember I had the problem when I was trying to recover from doing the first scenario, the loss of
file. Control.SQL, Mary.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting. I always do control file to trace and then I go there and
it's taking you a long time.
No.
Okay, Ronaldo.
And then I close the string, right?
Yes.
No, don't close it.
There's no string.
No, you close. Come on, Bello. Don't.
Maria, I'm sorry. The author that the back control to trace as.
Yes, forgot as. He's not used to it. It's okay, Mary.
Yeah, I'm not used to this one.
Yes, it's okay. Forgot as. Okay, Renalda. So all this time you have been shredding the database inconsistently and then doing a backup?
Yeah, because actually I remember when I was trying to do the first scenario from the loss of all my control file, it wasn't working. So I was wondering why. So I think now I understand. I've been putting my group in a stupid error.
Okay, I'm actually kind of offended because when did I ever taken a backup in shredding and done? I think I've said that many times here. Then even since DB1, you cannot shut down a board and take a backup because that would be an inconsistent backup.
But anyway, last time when I explained it, you didn't tell me it's not bad.
Did you explain it?
Yes, you asked me to explain the user managed hard backup and the incarnation.
And you explained that you shut down aboard the database?
Yes.
Maybe I was distracted. I would never, I don't think I would have agreed to that, ever. Maybe I didn't hear that. I'm sorry. But no, you cannot. Okay. But it's okay, now you know. It's the most important. Where are you going, Murray? It's in /oradata/orcl, right? /orcl. Okay. Who wants to do the odd cloning after the break? We need someone who's not good with it, who has tried and has failed many times.
Emma, just randomly pick.
I'll just pick the people who are not. Okay, I'll just pick the people who are not talking. Or the people that I know only submitted only submitting the first assignment and didn't submit anything else, or just 2.
Emerald, if you said you're gonna pick the people who are not talking, you will start make people to talk right now.
Yeah.
Actually, yes. I need to pick the people who they don't talk. I need to pick them. They have to talk.
Can I help you pick?
Yes, Prof. Hello, Prof.
All right, very timely. I'm going to help you pick Emerald. You see how it is, very easy.
Someone just left.
Oh. Who is that? Somebody left.
Well, you are a Holy Ghost. As you came, people were living.
Very good. I hope they live forever. All right, let's see. Can I share my screen? Marie, you walking? All right. Okay. You guys see that? Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're going to go and check who is where on assignments. So this is what I use to assess the fact that you've done XYZ in practicals. So I'm not sure where we are, how we are going. But if you look at this, see that if you have the tip or text entry, or you uploaded a file, if you do, if you see any of these images, you've submitted. So see some people here have submitted 2. Some people, Roland has submitted 6. Who are these? People in this class. Aze has done 4. Okay. So has done 3. You see, I have my suspects. 1, 2, yes, 3. Bibish, you have done 2. So what's happening? Some people have submitted 6, you submitted 2. How do I mark that? How does I grade that? Darius from I don't know. Cedric, you submitted 1, committed to large. Tabby submitted 2. It doesn't work that way, doesn't it? It doesn't. It's so hard. I don't even know how to proceed. 4. You cannot be on 6 and you're working on 4. It's not not good. Okay. Lois, Percy, David. You submitted just 2. Why? Yanni. Yanni, are you here? Yanni, you submitted 0. Is she here? Is she on the class, in the class? Okay. Alan Quick, 0. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Everyone should be at 5 at least. Marie, okay, that's very good. Marie is on 6. Who wonder very soon why? Maria, Raymond, Francis. Francis, are you in the class? Is Francis back in this class? Or he's not doing it? Emerald, do you know these people?
Yes.
Was Francis in the class?
Normally he's in the class. I don't know if he's connected today.
Or the silent connectors? Collins. Mister, I think this is morning. Joan Marie, Monexo, Yvonne. Okay, that's not 2, good. 2, 4, 5, okay. Fabrice, 2, 4, 6. Joseph is in the evening class, right?
Yes, he's connected.
Yes, Joseph, you've done those one.
Actually, I've done those assignments. Some of them, like, I forgot to spool. That's why.
You forgot to spool. You do it again and spool it because I don't know if you did it. And if I have to tell somebody that you did it, I must see what you did. If you've done it before, now it will just be copy and paste. Eric Stratford. Oh my. Natalie, what happened? Huh? Natalie is not connected.
He's connected.
Natalie, can I talk? Natalie, I'm asking you a question.
Maybe she went away.
Oh, there are those who disappeared, eh? Okay. The meat is good, Bologna. Viento's not doing it too. Wow. Yes. Jones, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Why are you submitted just one? Huh? I'm listening.
No, sir. I did. Actually, I did 3, but I didn't spool. So I spooled halfway, but I'm going to work on it.
So you're doing again. All right. Valerie. Hmm. Okay. Essential she did 4. Khalifa did 4. Some people are not even doing it at all. This is, guys, this is Ronaldo, 0. Are you there? Why have we not done any?
Excuse me?
Ronaldo,
Yes.
why have you not submitted or done any?
Because I'm not able to upload the assignments in my Canvas.
Why?
I don't know. But it's still on my notepad, so I'll just copy and paste.
Oh, okay. Yes, copy and paste. It will be there. It will come out like this one. So we see the difference between these two. One is copy and paste. The other one is uploading the text file or something. So you see text entry, and this other one was file uploaded.
Okay.
Please, I want that done. I'll check them again on Wednesday. So for those who have submitted, I need something complete. There is a time. What I'm emphasizing is that it is too early. It is too early for us to be having these omissions, because there's going to be a time when the assignments will come and they'll come heavily, and that time we must try to. The worst thing that can happen to you is for the class to be on assignment 6 and you are doing assignment 4 or assignment 3. It gets very cumbersome. One is sometimes you don't even have people to help you because you are not at the same page or on the same page. They are working on something else and you're working on something else. Or they will not even have the time to teach you, they'll just show you how to do it. You know, that's not good. So please catch up on your assignments, everybody. You're on 6, right, Emerald?
Yes, Prof. We are done with 6.
You're done with 6, exactly. So everybody should be on 6 on by Wednesday. I'm going to capture this and submit it as your first quarter. So if you've not done it, if you've done it and did not submit it, it will be easy. If you've already done it, so just do it again. Then you capture it, you copy it and paste it on a notepad and then you submit it. That's easy enough. You can, guys, you cannot be behind. We must work this thing together. Last time we talked about groups, and I think we concluded that most of your groups were working fine, and you adopted the Friday class. How's it going? Emerald, how is it going?
The Friday class, some people are really not participating. Some do participate, they ask questions, and they're actually the ones who submitted the assignment. I can see Anita, Marie, and I'm sure that Renalda did the assignment even though she didn't submit. But there are some, they don't even ask they don't ask questions. And on last Friday, I was like, okay, I was about to leave at 7 because I was like, okay, if nobody's asking any question, it means that everybody understand everything from chapter 1 to chapter 6. So Friday is really the time when everybody comes to do the practical, whatever you didn't understand on Monday or on Wednesday, you can go back to it. But people were not asking questions. Normally today, I wanted us to start chapter 7. It's when I realized that, okay, some people didn't even submit assignment 5 yet. So what's the point to people are not even, so I don't know if you can encourage them, or I try to encourage them, but I don't know if it's working.
Okay, class people, what's going on? I mean, why are we not following this and we're taking this thing seriously? I thought we were already committed. Because if the teacher comes in here, and I can say, everyone can speak from now to tomorrow, and I can talk, but the commitment has to come from you. You have to make that commitment to yourself that you have to make this thing work. We are putting all the tools in front of you. By giving you the notes, giving you this, giving you a systematic guide on how this thing should go. So please, become a DBA is not it's not chocolate, and you know that, because you can do this thing. If you talk to anybody who's working, this is what you do at work. DB2 is what you do at work. DB1, you take practicals and you know a few things. But this class is designed on an everyday class basis. What will you be doing? These are the things that you'll be doing. You don't want to go and learn these things and work, because you will see yourself lose $100,000 job because you don't do these things correctly. These things you're seeing here, as simple as they are. Yes, copy and paste. Yes, do this. That's what you need to do. But you need to understand it, because you need to customize everything here. So the concepts are not different. Environments are different. Concepts are the same. So I'd rather you take your time now, do it, understand it. It's very, very simple. We've started from zero. This is DB2. We cannot hold your hands like we're doing in DB1. No, we gotta let it go at some point. Hold, but let it go. Because you need to take off on your own and start doing these things. But the earlier you understand it and put in the effort, we are here. One of the things I've never seen a bunch of very, very dedicated teachers that, very, very patient, dedicated. And you yourself, you know that. Everyone has been doing an exceptional job from DB1. You guys have been working together, fighting this thing together, and there's no need for her to be getting frustrated until she wants to leave at 7 o'clock. That's, come on. She's committed to do this, and her joy, her pride, her happiness is what you, as a class, when you do this thing good, you do it correctly, you have a job, you two go, at least you know that your food is. She too knows that you contributed in her own way towards their success. The teachers are not happy. It's not pay day that makes us happy. It's exam day that makes us happy when people pass. Yes, it's not pay day. It is the exam day that makes people happy. That will make a teacher happy. When people pass, when you feel like you've passed on information and they've done something with it. The rewards in this thing are too good. Look at the whole place. That there's a recession, there's this, there is that, there is that. But DBAs are not affected because we are the way for the future. IT is. DBA is super. This is the wave of the future. This is how this is the future. It's not finishing anytime soon. It's just increasing. At an alarming geometrical rate. So position yourself. Position yourself. Manufacturing is not coming back. Position yourself. IT is skyrocketing. All right. But you make sure you are in. You are in. They will not keep skyrocketing this way, but just get in and then see how let the chips forward they make. The best thing you can do for yourself is to make sure that you have a career in this thing. And don't wait too much. Trust me, it is as good as it gets. So we're bending this thing, chewing this thing, fixing it, giving you ammunition over ammunition over ammunition. This is as good as it gets. Please take advantage of it. Please. It's just too important. Let's not regret it, Because if it doesn't work, hey, we'll be in trouble. But get it and go. Get it and go. Even now with the people are moving and doing paperwork on a daily basis. People are getting two jobs. Go and take one. They're getting two jobs. Not because there's a lack of people. These new people who are coming out, I'm rarely seeing them doing one job. You know? Can't stop them. Once you know it, they'll beg you, they'll follow you around and beg you for jobs. But until then, they'll not hire you if you don't know, even though they need people. So, I mean, just do this thing. So I'll come by on Wednesday again and we'll do the check. Try to submit your assignments. Does anybody have any questions, please? Any questions? Very typical. No questions? All right, I guess I'll take my leave.
Thank you, Prof.
All right. Good luck, good people. Try your best. We're here.
Thank you, Prof.
All right, no
All right,
problem.
bro. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you, Prof.
Okay, Emerald, I'll see you later. We'll talk later.
Okay. You're supposed to pick the next person to do the work.
Oh, the person who did the work. No, Natu
Yes.
participates. Let me see.
No, not Nachu. Someone who never participates.
Who never participates? Yes, Natu participates. I want someone who. Let me see participants.
Just pick someone.
Huh?
Just pick someone.
Just pick who?
I said just pick someone.
Marie, you are working hard. Let me pick. Who is it? Does Brian talk?
Yes, he does.
Okay, Brian talks. Fali talks. Who am I looking at? What about Herman? Does Herman talk?
Sometimes.
Okay, who is that quiet people? Monica, does Monica talk?
No.
Okay, Monica, you will do it. You will do it now. You will lead the class with that thing. We good?
Prof, I'm at work.
Oh, you are at work? Don't make I ask you to turn on your camera. Pius. Pius Fu. Hey. You are logged in twice and you're not even there. What? You are driving and taking a class.
My laptop. Oh.
Who's that? Koji. Koji talks?
Yes, he does. He participates a lot.
Okay. I'm trying to see. Chair. So, is he in class?
No, he's not connected.
No, Chair is in class. He's connected.
Oh, he's connected. Oh.
I think he's just.
Well, he doesn't participate.
Chair, are you there? People are there and refuse to be there.
Chair, answer now. You don't want to answer.
Maybe it's in the restroom.
Wow.
Which restroom?
Samuel. Samuel, are you there?
Prof, you will not see nobody.
Chair came back, says. Chair came back.
I'm here now.
Oh, okay, Chair,
But
continue.
just that
What were you?
my connection is
I'm
disturbing,
here,
that's
but
why.
I'm not very free, sir.
Oh, you're walking? All right, Chair, take over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, share your screen. Let's go.
Can we after break, right?
My connection is disturbing. Sometimes I'll go off and come back.
No,
Don't worry, we are very patient. You go off and come back.
We'll manage them.
We'll manage
No, I
you.
know.
Don't worry.
I don't have a problem. No.
Very good.
You know,
I think you
I
said you
disconnect
wanted
and I come back.
Were you taking a break now, Emerald?
Yes. You're about to take
All right,
a
we'll
break.
come back, Chair. Lead us.
Who is taking a break? I'm coming here. No
Please
break.
fix your connection during the break, Chair. We're coming
No
back.
break.
Chair,
My
please
connection-
don't go. Chair, please don't go. I know you're
Chair
gonna
says
go.
no break.
No break.
Now wants to say go by force. No break. No, take a break, Emerald, like as scheduled.
Okay.
Okay, take a break. You guys be ready in 15 minutes.
Okay, sir, Chair.
What time are we getting back?
15 minutes time from now.
Okay, 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Okay, yeah, you from Chair.
Yeah. So we come back
Chair.
at 8:48.
Chair, thank you, Chair.
I said, Brian,
Yes, boss.
when I'm not consume money by my buy new laptop.
7-Eleven laptop, not been a laptop, no, bro.
Now what I'm gonna contribute now? Una be in solidarity for a brother. A brother
Okay, don't
needs
bother about it. Okay, we'll look about it. I'll look for one I'll look for one. Don't bother. I know where they sell laptop for $50.
Bello.
Enough phone.
Bello.
Yo.
Just give me an address, man. I ship one right away.
Oh, big boy. Check a message.
Bello.
Right.
Bello.
Yeah, Brian.
Yeah, they go home to some show for here.
Alright, cool. When?
Now, so when something we go, now.
Baka.
Okay, alright. I may say back before cover end. See go to turn now.
Baka.
Yeah, after that you just tap me. I just say I want go follow that song.
Brian, stay quiet. I'm calling Baka. Baka.
Yeah, Nato.
How far?
Oh, good.
Nato, so you just tell me kind of salon Baka.
Yeah, Nato, long time. You take time 60.
Yes.
Nato, you have Nato. Why are you quiet this time?
Brian, stop noise. Brian, stop noise. I'm talking to Baka.
Why are you quiet this time around, Nato?
Maka ni pass now.
I don't hear your voice again, Nato.
Maka ni pass.
Chine do no day.
Day.
Chine do that bet no day around there bet.
I just give out food. I'm alright, man. How you been?
Good. Long time.
Long time no see you.
What's up?
All
right. I'm so struggling.
Atu, you say long time. They say long time. Say what's up?
See, Bello, I never talk with you and Brian. I never call you. I never call Brian. I'm with you now.
Actually, not say I like you.
I did wrong when I see car. I need to talk. Now wait.
Actually, you know you are my first in the class.
I did wrong when I go. Usa Alende.
Actually, you cannot run me.
You follow them.
Una come on my phone.
My video games.
Hello, so it's 38. Um, Marie, can you finish the assignment you were doing, and then we're gonna let.
Okay.
Where is he? I don't see him connected. He left. Ah, he's connected. So, Unsok.
What?
That's Sok, right? You'll be doing the cloning from the backup location, right?
Who?
You, the one asking who, you. I'm reading socks. I don't know how you say that, but it looks like sock. So
Just anyway, it's away.
okay.
That's it, right, Emerald?
Yeah, remove the space up there and change read.
Which space? Oh, okay, up here.
Okay. No, you leave it reuse. Let's see if it would allow us to reuse. Yes. If it doesn't, then we'll come back and set and no reset logs. Okay. Don't need to close it yet, actually, but it's okay.
Yeah, okay. I will get it from the WinCP.
Okay. See.
It shut down immediate or shut down above?
Abort. Okay, exit. You want to go to cd/radida/warcia.
Okay.
Okay. Connect to SQL. Okay. Recover database using backup control file until cancel. Recover is not spelled correctly. Recover database.
Emma,
yes.
Why can't she open a database reseller? I thought she just created a new control file.
She still need to check if the rest of the database was recovered.
Okay.
It's synchronized. The rest of the files are synchronized. Which we don't know yet. Okay, you're getting a percentage U, and the information you're getting are in sequence 4. So apply one of the current redo. Redo 1, 2, 3. Which one is your lucky redo log? You don't have one?
Redo 2.
Redo 2, right? Some people is redo 2, some people is redo 3. Okay. Mine too is usually redo 2. I don't know, for some reason. Okay, / aura data / aura cl / redo 3.dbf. So it's that log, right? Redo 03.log. So this is a common error, right? Sometimes you might put / aura data / aura cl / redo 03.dbf, and then you put semicolon, and then you're surprised that something is not something is not going well, right? So just put the path and that's it. Don't add anything else. Okay, redo 3 does not contain any redo, and it's asking for sequence 4, and redo 3 doesn't contain any redo. So more than likely, it doesn't contain anything, because more than likely the sequence 4 is in none of the redo, right? Because the sequence is created after every log switch. So more than likely you don't have any. Try to apply redo 1 or 2, but I highly doubt it's in one of the other ones.
I'll restart the station. I went inactive.
Just exit and connect back. Oh, it's inactive? Okay, restart. What happened?
The connection, my Wi-Fi.
Ah, okay. If any of you guys notice that some people come and create databases on your server, and you see that things that are just going off, you don't know, you didn't do anything, you should just change your password.
Okay.
But if you don't have that issue, you're good. You can just leave it as class 26. Okay, recover database using backup control file until cancel. Redo. Redo 2 does not contain any redo. Okay, so if redo 2 does not contain any redo, and redo 3 does not contain any redo, and it means that redo 1 contains sequence 1, but it's asking for sequence 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what you want to do is recover database using backup control file until cancel, and then you issue cancel, and you try to add database open reset logs.
Okay.
I'll recover database using backup control file. I could just copy it and paste it from.
No.
Okay, cancel. Okay. Now try to add database open reset logs. Okay, the database is open. So for in your specific case, that was the way to fix it. The error you had earlier, it was telling you that the control files belong to another incarnation, right?
Yeah.
So your only shot was to create new control files that will belong to that incarnation.
Okay.
And the other challenge you had was Aura 0 to 80. It was asking for sequence 4, but you noticed that you only had sequence 1 in the group 1. So if you applied actually the group sequence 1, it would have updated it to sequence 1, but you wouldn't have been able to fulfill to have a complete media recovery because that sequence 4 was not there. So your only option here was to cancel the recovery and after the base open reset box, right?
Okay.
So you did lose data, but actually your database is up, right?
Okay. So now I'll have to do another backup.
Yes.
Delete the old backup and do a new backup.
Yes, because it's a new incarnation.
Okay. Thank you. I'll do that by myself.
I know you can. Thank you, Mary.
Okay, show your screen.
Do you have your, did you do assignment 6 already? Where's he? He's gone.
Mary.
To me, she's talking to Chair, right?
Yeah, to share.
Oh.
I did assignment 6.
Well, the time is going. Yes, Emerald.
What's happening? You've been silent for the past 2 sessions.
I was late in class. And the last session I was listening to the class on the road. So I wasn't there.
Okay. I heard you were busy. I called you at the end of the class to explain something to the rest of the class.
Yeah, so I just record because I wasn't at home. So I was recording on my laptop, but I was on the way listening with my phone. So
Okay.
I didn't say anything.
Where's he? He ran away?
Come on, Chair. Come on.
Oh my
Time is going.
gosh.
I called for.
What is the cooling, the hot clothing?
I'm sorry, my connection is disturbing.
Which
I go
connection?
on and off.
Lie.
No, seriously, I go on and off. I'm serious. I'm
Okay, then just log in.
That's the problem.
Rename your connection.
What?
Rename your
connection is.
Put Tonga as your connection name. You see, it will never go off.
Very funny, Natu.
Really? Guys are insulting me, huh?
Can you just share your screen?
Exactly.
Cheers.
I'm doing just that.
Eba. Eba.
Shut up.
Che, who is that guy? Tell me the truth.
Your boyfriend.
Wonderful to know.
Hey, who is that girl?
My small sister.
Bello, I'm not talking to you.
My small sister.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, brother, I really like her.
I tell you.
Okay. It's gonna take a while. When I was just tired today, my connection is not snail. Hey. You see, I hope you guys are seeing. I'm not
Try again. Verify your internet now. They say verify your internet.
No, the problem is that the connection is slow. That's why it just goes on and off.
Neither.
I don't know what's wrong today.
Jalo, why are you here
today?
Miss Emerald, how are you? I missed you already, that's why.
Why are you here?
No, my meeting people, I'm waiting for them. They're about to join us. So I said, let me check how you guys doing.
Oh, okay. If your connection is really bad, I think it's better if someone else does it because it's the cloning. And if while you're doing a backup, something happens, so that's not really good for.
Brian, do it now, Brian.
Not to share your screen.
Right.
I cannot now. I've not submitted my last assignment, so I don't want to share my screen.
Even better.
Why is my this not even connecting?
I want to do my. I want to try it by myself. I don't want to be guiding me on something that.
Emerald, this thing is not even connecting. So now
I need to try first, Anita.
What does not exist?
Brian, share your screen, I beg. Back up your brother.
Yeah, someone else can do it. Joel.
Yeah.
Man, this thing is making me.
It's the hot cloning. It's the thing we did it last Friday, so it's not. It's nothing.
Monica, are you back?
By internet.
Hi.
Emerald, do you have anyone to do it?
I'm calling Joel, right?
Yeah.
Can you share your screen?
I'm trying to share my screen right now.
Okay, you're good. So you have. This is not the type of cloning that we want you to do. It's the one you use the backup location and you turn the backup location into the live location. So it's assignment. It's part of assignments that the assignment that I sent you guys on Friday.
My thing is not still connecting now.
Assignment 5 and 6. That's it. Right. Question 2 and 3.
Amy.
Hello.
Yeah.
Where did you get this script?
It's a question paper. What script?
That's my script. That's my script. For real.
Hey, Emerald, where are we going to start from? Because I don't have a script for that.
You have to go to ORC or you're trying to do a hot backup.
The first question is perform a user managed hot backup. Do you need a script to perform a user managed hot backup?
Nope.
Thank you.
Connect to your ORCL.
Yeah, connect to ORCL.
I think it's not connecting to Pudi.
Yeah, we're not with you anymore. Don't talk.
I beg, when I know go help me because I know do.
No, you want to see where your data files are. You're not even going. You don't have to go to SQL.
I broke the computer.
How is it gonna know?
Actually, first you have to. Do you have the directories? You have to make the directories.
You can do here now.
Okay, let's read the second question 2 first.
Yes.
I won't be talking much though, so you guys will be doing that. Perform a user managed hot backup of ORCL2/OIDA/MyBackup/ORBAC, right? So what's the first thing you want to do?
You create those directories.
Thank you.
So to create the directories.
No, you just copy it. Yeah, go to Apodi.
Exit SQL.
Don't paste it. Don't paste it.
Exit.
Alter database.
And then just go mkdir -pv.
Take it slowly with him.
What is Billy saying? Ottawa.
No, I wanted to do it another way. It's okay.
Paste and then you paste.
Nothing elaborate.
Nothing. What are you guys trying to confuse me to do now?
It's just, I don't know.
You are saying all that database that one.
You don't need that. You don't need that. You're not in SQL.
Sorry.
No, that was only.
Okay.
On that button.
Then you can go to SQL.
Not to SQL.
Is the database open? Yeah.
You want to check the
location of your files.
Check the status of the database.
Yeah, Chinadu, you were going well. Continue.
is the status? Make sure it's open. Now check your files, control files, radio log files, temp.
Just copy this one here on your left, on your right.
Number 5.
Number 5, just copy it, you paste it. I'm not there.
Why you know sometimes? Why you know sky? You know share your own screen before. You just got some shit.
I back you up, oh bro.
I tell you, not like Che. Che is not even talking.
See that?
Members.
I bet I vex when I'm
Rectify members.
Members or member?
Remove the E in between.
Remove the E now. It's not spelled well.
I'm sorry.
What now, Che?
Mari talks to my data, my Disney open my pudding.
Why is your pudding not opening?
I don't know. You saw the error.
Open it again. Try again.
I've tried. I've even
You talk
blocked
about
out everything.
Close everything now and type up pudding on the search bar.
Yeah, I did that.
Okay.
After database begin backup.
Really? You have to copy paste everything?
So what? No, I could type it in too, but sometimes it said to copy it. That's faster. I don't know which one is faster now.
Hey, you're supposed to stop laughing.
Okay. Your database is not in archive log mode, so shut down.
Shut down immediate. Why are you trying to shut it down normal?
Shut down.
Now you want to put in archive log mode.
What database?
Startup mount.
Archive log mode.
Archive log.
No, it's one word. Don't put more there. Database open. Archive log, please. Oh.
Two words. Okay.
After database begin backup.
Yeah, do copy you.
What? Did you change your parameter process?
Oh, yeah, it has to be in FRE.
Check.
No, he
Check.
don't. It's not it. Ah, okay.
Check first. Show parameter.
Wait, don't go back up. Where are the location of your file?
Show parameter recovery.
Parameter recovery, man.
Check for. Hey God. Okay. Alter system set. I mean, that's good. At least we are doing the whole thing. So
go ahead.
Auto system set DB, and then you can just copy DB underscore recovery underscore file underscore des.
in that case, you can just copy and paste.
Not that one. Up.
The first one.
Not.
No.
Just the first line.
No, just recovering underscore file underscore. Yes. No. You were supposed to put the part, the FRA part that you scoped.
You're setting it right. You're changing it from /user1/app/oracle/recovery area to /oradata/FRA, right? So you're setting it equals, right? Space open strings /oradata/FRA.
Enter.
No, you got
No.
Close string and then put semicolon.
No, you got to scope.
Scope.
Oh, yeah, scope. Scope equals.
No.
Equals both. Both. Yeah. You good?
Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Okay.
Now you want to change the size.
The size too.
So alter system set, and then you copy the second line.
Yeah, you can just copy the whole thing.
Size, right?
Yes.
Right. Now you're setting the size, right, of the FRA. Okay.
Equals 25G.
G in caps.
Scope equals SP file.
Scope equals SP file?
Both? Okay.
Both.
Thank you, Jalo.
DOTH. There you go. You good.
Make a system out of it.
Okay.
Now you're ready to start the backup.
Auto database begin backup. Do you know the location of your live location? So you want to copy.
Like our data slash
You sure that's it?
this is gonna be ORCL, right?
Which?
Right, it will be ORCL.
I think you already checked it, right?
It's in ORCL. Yeah, he already checked the name, the
Okay.
location. No.
No. You're not moving it to test. You're not moving it to test.
You're
so
moving
just
to
do exclamation mark CP.
FR.
Exclamation mark CP.
To test. It's moving it to a different location.
Slash, yeah, oradata slash ORCL slash all space slash the backup location.
But does he remember it?
Look at the question.
No.
Grow up.
Go back, scroll up to find the backup location. Or if you can find it from that one. Okay.
Yeah.
No semicolon.
It doesn't matter. Just enter.
Hey, did you find your foodie?
I think it's not going. You need me to shut down.
Really, I'm busy right now.
By doing what?
Just play by
I'll
yourself.
shut it down after the class. I don't want to.
I'll show you how to place on the
What? I'm not a spell.
Okay, it's backed up.
Next step.
And the backup.
And the backup.
auto database and backup.
You can put it like that on the tablet.
Okay, so you're done with question 2 now. Question 3.
It says here's the backup done in question 2. To clone the OSL database to open database.
Extra assignment.
You have to create the directories.
Create.
Create the directories today.
Can you go up to your script? Step 1 for your script. Your script.
Edit it.
So it's gonna be, yeah.
No, it's not ORCL.
It's Aura something win something.
OR twin.
Hey, Emerald, I have a question.
Sure.
So since he scoped, it
Chinedu,
goes.
just edit all the 3 and then copy all the 3.
Since he scoped, it goes.
No,
Doesn't he have
one moment, Daniel. You shouldn't do the second one. You remove the second line because you already, the backup location would become the live location of the OR twin database. So step 3, you remove it. You don't need it. You already have the live location of OR twin.
Yeah.
So just leave it like that. You don't have to take it out. Just, and then you change the FRA, the third one.
Means he's not gonna use it, right?
Okay.
Do I need to edit the third one?
Yes.
Yeah.
You need the FRA.
The third one.
You don't have to use
You
the
shouldn't have
second
the
line.
same script for both types of cloning though, because you guys will have at least four clonings. So you shouldn't have the same script for the normal cloning and with that type of cloning using the backup location. So you should, even though the differences, there are slight differences, but it's good to have a different script for both. Okay, yes, Danielle, I'm listening.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
I didn't understand what you said.
She said we need different scripts for different types of cloning. This thing right here is just for the hot backup, like when you do a hot cloning. But then the one we're doing right now is we're using a backup location as the live location.
Yeah.
Yes, Danielle.
Okay, so since he created, he scoped equals both, right? When he was setting his
Yes.
FRA. So
Yes.
doesn't he have to create P file from SP file? Because when he shut down database, isn't he gonna lose it?
When
I
he
was just
shouldn't,
double
he
checking.
scoped to both. So he scoped to memory and to the SP file, right?
Right. So you don't create P file from SP file after that? Because I
He
thought
could
we
have
did.
created P file from SP file.
Just exit from SQL.
Normally you should do
Or you
Yeah,
put
because normally I
exclamation
do it,
mark
so I was
first.
wondering.
He should
Put
actually
exclamation mark.
Because when he shut it down and started up, then I
Yeah,
think
then
he's
paste.
gonna lose it.
Yes,
Not,
for that
there's no
database.
space. There's no space. I don't know.
But
If
It doesn't matter.
you know that.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
One moment.
Huh?
You know that when we create the backup location, the P file of the new database, we create it from the SP file of that database. So in that case, he didn't have to create P file from SP file. Otherwise, it's always good practice to create P file from SP file after making changes.
For the setting up the FRA location.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I was talking about the FRA location.
Yeah, I'm talking about the FRA location. In that case, yes, it's it's best to create P file from SP file.
Yeah, but I don't think he did, so that's why I was double checking. But
He didn't?
No, he did not.
yes, I was making sure because when he shut it down and
Okay,
started up, it's gonna read the SP file, and which will not have
Yeah, create P
insurance.
file from SP file, please. You should create P file. Thank you, Daniel.
No worry, no problem.
Morning class, students.
No, I'm night now. I'm not morning anymore.
Since when?
Yeah. I like the night people too. Daniel, don't say anything.
Good.
So I already made
You have to create the FRA now.
Okay, file created.
Okay.
And
Next
now
step.
you have to create the P file. What was
Edit Aura tab.
Aura tab.
So exit.
Aura tab is in Etsy.
It is right.
Where are you going?
It's product.
I'll go to the CNS then. Okay. So,
Network.
Oh my God.
Okay, now you wanna create the P file. So it's gonna be create P file equals open string $ Oracle _ home in caps. In caps lock, no, Oracle _ home in caps.
/network.
/DBS.
Yeah, DBS /network.
/init. And then the name of your database, .aura.
OR
OR twin. .aura. Close, no, yeah. Close string from space from SP file.
Like that?
Yeah.
Put the SP file in caps, please.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
It looks nicer like that.
Well, that's fine. Now you want to go and edit your P file. So you can go to WinSCP. So Oracle Homes.
No, DB_1. Oh. Product.
Just go to U01. Oh yeah, product. Okay.
DBS. The first one.
That's it up there.
So I think you want to change the control file location to the backup location. So it's gonna, what's your backup location?
You want my backup?
Your backup location, can you open the questions? So yeah, that's what the control files, that's where it's gonna be.
Replace.
Replace it?
No, you can just do that. Yeah, just drag it all up to the C, up to the C, yeah. Yeah, and then paste.
It's faster. Okay.
What else are you changing?
I think that's it.
Wait,
That's
no,
not
you
it.
have to change the name of the database. So just go to the first ORCL up there. You replace it with Oracle. Go to replace. No. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's it.
Where to save?
When he closed it, he did save it.
You save it?
Yeah, he
Yeah, I
saved
did
it.
save it.
Okay.
Okay.
And then next you have to create
trace control
the
file.
trace control file. So alter database.
Before that, edit the location. No, edit the location.
It's going to be your backup location.
Leave the control file. Okay.
It's gonna be my backup. Yeah, that's good.
I was just messing up.
You want to remove all your control files.
Do it on WinSCP. Edit the trace control file first.
Do it on WinSCP?
Yes.
So go to that, yeah. No, it's gonna be in Aura the backup location.
Oh, data my backup. Yes, of course.
Back. Yeah.
It's the first one.
Delete it.
No,
You have to
no,
edit
no,
it.
no.
Who said delete it?
Open it.
Say that.
Open
it.
You made everybody's heart.
Nah.
You delete to recover it now.
You have to select one. Wait. Yeah. Bring it up. Go down.
Hold on.
Go. Yeah, bring it up. Bring it up. Select from. Yeah, from there. Down. Remove the space.
You want to change the name?
Remove the space, though. Don't
The
forget.
space between that and standby.
I hear.
Yes, and change the name.
Name of the database.
We used to set, right?
Yes.
You
Need to close it first.
Huh?
Close it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I actually like your screen. You don't have a lot of nyama nyama stuff.
You said logs.
Save it.
That's not it.
Oh, you have to change. You have to backup location. So all your files have to point to the backup location.
To point to the backup location. So,
My backup.
So just replace, copy all that.
all this.
Yeah. And then replace. What's your backup location?
Do you still have your back?
Okay.
Okay, only insert everything. Okay,
You have to
insert.
leave the last, you have to take out the last string.
Take out the last strings.
Just backspace once. Yeah, that's good.
Lysol.
Okay.
Exit now. Exit. Connect from to the target database now to delete the file.
No, he has to remove. Is that from the backup location? That he has to remove it from the backup location.
The backup
so you have to remove
the target database, right?
Yeah, he removes it from the target database. So connect to the last location of the target database, which is not radida/test.
Open.
There's no script here that.
No, just cd it to the your backup location.
You already copied it, right? Could you have pasted it?
Space, paste. Hi.
Slash.
You just
put the slash first.
Not copy.
Why don't you just copy your backup location and paste it
He
somewhere?
just copied it.
Yeah, but it's not pasting on there. I try to paste it right now. It's not pasting. I don't know why.
God knows. My backups. Slash or back.
Slash. All.
List. Now you want to remove all the control files. So RM space all
dot
CTL.
List. Okay, the control file. I'll go.
Now you want to connect to the new database. Change environment. .ORA-EMB.
But you have to create a control the SP file from
No.
in this one, right?
No, he has to connect first.
Wait, you need to copy the archive logs. Did you do that?
No, you did not.
No, I need to copy. Yeah, I need to copy the archive log of source. So CP.
Go to WinSCP, my friend.
WinSCP.
WinSCP.
Yes, flash our data. What the name of the
FRA.
Yeah, FRA.
Not OR2 in the other one.
Source database. What's
Copy
here?
source to target, right?
No.
No. Go back.
Do the right click.
On this one?
Yes, do the right click on it. Then duplicate.
Replace ORCL to R2.
Replace ORCL. Never ask. No.
Okay, good. Check if it was successfully copied. Check it on WinSCP.
You have to check it on WinSCP. Go
You can
back.
do it on the operating system.
Go to FRA.
ORCL or two.
Yeah, open it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's right there.
So now you connect from SQL from here, right?
Okay, set the environment.
Of the target database. ORTW. No,
Create a
not Chinedu. Create SP file from P5. Now run the script. The control file that you create.
Control.sql.
Control.sql. Yeah.
Control file created.
Startup. No, you recover the data.
Startup.
Recover database using backup control file until cancel. Okay, so you want to apply one of the redo.
You just choose a
Why don't
local
you
one.
check it? Why don't you just Control C and check your status name and sequences of redo log so you can just put the right one instead of guessing?
It doesn't always work. That technique doesn't always work.
All right,
Don't
so
know what?
slash Oradata
Oradata, man. Oradata.
slash Oradata slash ORCL.
Yeah. Redo one. I'm gonna guess it's gonna work.
No, is it ORCS, ORT log?
Altwin.
Whichever one can work.
Yeah, you're right. You can try all the 6.
That directory doesn't exist. Oh God.
What? Altwin?
Chinedu, put my backup, something like that.
Just start from ORCL.
What you can do is check the sequence number from ORCL, but not from Altwin. Okay.
Redo 01 and try it and see whether it works.
But Emerald, if we use all the reducing and then it doesn't work, we can.
Redo 01.
.log.
If it don't work, it's good. We try another thing. Oh boy.
Exit.
Content sequence 25, sequence 27. So apply
Yep.
redo 3. Redo 3 has the what you want.
You have to exit again.
Exit and connect
Exit.
back.
Always exit.
Apply redo 3.
Recover, you have to type
No,
it again.
just connect back.
Just connect back to SQL.
SQL, yeah. Recover database.
Copy and paste. Copy and paste. It's over here on your screen.
Apply redo 3.
Zero 3. Yep. Bang.
Works.
The auto database.
Open reset logs.
Emerald, that 2 is really your lucky one. Oh, we used the 3.
We use the 3.
Yeah.
From 1, you can guess which one would have what you need, basically. So if you apply 1, you know that the next one will have to be the one because it will give you what sequence it is. Instead of going to opening ORCL and checking ORCL, that takes longer. So you guys know how to clone, how to do both types of, actually 3 types of cloning. So we can start chapter 7. And we did chapter 6 today as well. I mean, we did the recovery catalog. So we are good to move forward. Okay, cloning is good.
So Emma, you said to make another script for this hot clone.
Yeah, it's usually good to have different scripts. One for the hot cloning, for the normal one hot cloning, one for that type of hot cloning from a backup. From a backup look, you turn a backup location into a live location, right?
Right.
So since it's different, the steps are a bit different, and you will have that definitely coming. At least sometimes you even have 2 of those for the exam. So it's good to know that way rather than the other one where you just do from /oradata/orcl to refresh, for example.
So can I stop sharing now?
You can stop sharing and we are done with the class. Any question? Any question?
Hungry.
Okay. Since there is no other question, then I think we are good for today.
Good for today.
Please, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
This might be a silly question. Please don't laugh at me. But
Doesn't-
for question 1, right, on the assignment that you gave us, you said we should name 4 types of backups, and then we should perform 3 of them.
Yes.
So there's the user managed cold backup that we did.
Yes.
Then there's Arman cold backup. So I just wanted to know, like, what's the difference between the Arman cold and the Arman hot?
The database has to be mounted and then you back up. The database, when you do Arman cold backup, right? The database has to be mounted because you cannot mount a shutdown database anyway.
Okay. So that would be the cold backup. Okay.
Right.
All right. Thank you.
Emily.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. I have a problem with one of my databases. I tried to delete the system table space. So when I'm trying to restore it back, it gives me an error. So I try to fix it. It's not going through.
Something is wrong with your SP file, you said?
No, with my system table space.
Okay. Well,
So
you
I
were trying to
delete-
do assignment 5.
Yeah, I was trying to do assignment 5. So
Okay, share
I
your
just,
screen.
okay. Let me see. Maybe let me share my screen. There you go.
What happened? You stopped sharing.
Yeah, I'm still trying to share it. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. This is the error I get.
Internal error. Yeah, usually
Say
that error.
internal error. I try to fix the error. They tell me
Usually it has to do with your Redu logs. So scroll down, scroll all the way down. I cannot see the bottom of your screen. Okay. Okay. Is your database up?
Let me try to enlarge it a little bit. Okay, that's it.
Check the status of the instance. Is it an A or U?
Start.
Okay, yeah, typo. What happened in the network?
Maybe your instance is closed.
Let me refresh it.
The connection is slow. It's normal. Don't refresh it.
Okay.
Where did you want it to refresh? Refresh, let me see.
Right here.
I learned something new. Where is it, bro?
It was going to show restart.
I started back afresh.
It doesn't have any problem. That's why you can do it.
I thought you had something like refresh.
No, I just want to restart terminal from there.
Okay, it's mounted. The connection is slow. Okay, try to open a database, see what it says. I'll tell the database open. Let's see what it says. So you say that you remove your system file, right?
Yeah.
And then you recovered it from the backup location?
Yeah, I recovered from the backup location. Is one of my databases I cloned it.
Okay. And okay, so this is a clone database?
Yeah. It's the refresh database.
It's the refresh database.
Yeah.
Okay. Were you ever able to open that database?
Yeah, I was able to open it after I was done cloning the cloning.
Okay.
Working normal. Then I did the core backup.
And then you remove the system. Okay, so you did the backup and then you remove system just to practice, right?
Yeah, I removed system just to practice then.
Okay. And then when you brought system back, it's giving you that error.
Yeah, I brought system by keep giving me this error. Meanwhile, I like follow all the steps from Canvas.
Okay.
So I'm trying like to fix this database because the only database I have that is surviving.
Mm.
The rest database they are not good.
Trash it now.
No, the TLS demo ORCL.
It's already slow. At this point, I don't think we would even be
They
able
can't
to
even
do that.
come on.
You try to be stubborn.
Which one? No. I don't know why it's slow.
It's almost 10, so it's normal. But I think yours is kind of extra slow though.
Yeah, I just want to open a new terminal from there and see.
I don't think it's gonna make any change. It's not gonna be any different. If it's slow, it's slow. Let me check if mine is as slow as yours.
Oh, it's too slow.
You think that if it's slow, then you duplicate, it's gonna make it faster.
I wanted to close that one. At times at times it go faster.
Oh, but
really?
Yeah, that's my computer. I know.
I know you went with Brian to buy it at 7-Eleven, right?
That's why they gave me this one for free.
Ah, so Baltimore. Okay.
Baltimore computer.
I get one for free, like
At the parking lot.
the day I was doing my assignment, my computer just like boom.
They just want the parking lot of Baltimore.
I don't want the parking lot of Baltimore. I just pick this one.
I know. Brian can do such things.
Brian took me there.
I know. Those are his size now, I know.
The servers are really slow though. It's not just your computer. It's really slow on my end. On mine too. So I'm sorry, but I guess you won't be able to help
do
you.
it today. Okay, let's see. Let me try see if I can do it tonight. If it doesn't work, then we can try it with my group again.
Okay.
All right.
Just don't close it and leave it there till it opens. It tell you what is gonna come.
Leave it like this. I already went all these steps now too.
That's what I'm saying. Leave it now, alter database and see if it's gonna open like Emerald said before you want to try anything else.
Alter database open like this.
Yeah, it's still finding all the world. Wait,
it's pending. It's still pending. It's just slow.
Yes, Just wait for it before you want to try anything else.
I mean, like just the auto database could be the problem.
No, auto database cannot be the problem.
Baka, how many beer have you drunk?
No, I haven't drank nothing. I'm like, because you said I just auto database gonna resolve the issue.
Because you're waiting for the result now to see if your database is open.
Actually,
Actually, I
database
want
open
to stop
is to
sharing
see
my
what
screen.
error it's gonna give you, and based on
Yeah,
the
so that's what I'm saying. Just wait, like Emerald said, to see what it's going to give.
Auto database and wait.
And based on the error, you will
Because I
know
was
how
about
to troubleshoot.
to stop sharing my
Emra, while you're waiting, please, I have a quick question, and I don't know if you can just explain it just briefly. Question 4 and 5, there are no reset logs and the reset logs option. Like, if you can just brief it.
Why is it part of the question if I have to brief it?
What is what?
I already explained reset logs and no reset logs option in this class. So I'm expecting from you specific question actually. When do we use reset logs option? Based on what we have been doing so far, when do we use reset logs option? In what case? For example, when we lose control files, right?
Control file.
Right. Okay.
What other case? When we clone, right?
Yeah, when we clone.
Right.
Other case? When you lose redo.
Okay. So when you lose redo, lose control.
So what does it tell you? So it's basically, I'm just gonna say it at this point. Basically, we use the reset logs option every time after an incomplete recovery, right?
Okay.
Meaning that when the entire redo were not applied. For example, earlier with Mari issue, you notice that it was asking for sequence 4, but we only had sequence 1, right? So our only way to do it was to after the base open reset logs because the recovery was incomplete, right? And we use a no reset logs option. Basically, the no reset logs option is the same as after the base open. After the base open, no reset log is the same as after the base open, right? And we use it after doing complete media recovery, meaning when all the redo streams were basically applied. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So based on the example that you have seen in class, you can word it in your own words and use the examples like Prof said, right? If you ask a question, for example, if it's your question on interview day, let's say, based on what you have seen, in what circumstances did you use reset logs option? In what circumstances you use no reset logs option, which is the same as no option at all, like just after the base open, right?
Okay, so
and
you
what
only use
happens,
reset logs when you make changes.
what happens when you reset the logs? What happens? Explain, right? Now you want to explain that it clears all the online redo information. It modifies the sequence in the control file, in the redo logs, in the getter file header. Okay, that error is usually related to redo logs information, right?
Okay. So, I'm getting you.
You're getting me?
Yeah.
So it clears the online redo logs, right? It changes the sequence number in the data file header. It changes the sequence number and the SCN in the control files, right? The redo log files are cleared and it starts back to sequence 1, right? So you need to make sure you have all these informations. You yourself, you can notice that every time you start, after the base open reset log, you notice that if you check the sequence number from the redo log file, you'll see that it's sequence 1, right?
Yeah.
So this is basically that. And you can also add that the reset logs option is after, when you use the reset logs option, it creates a new incarnation, right? A new incarnation of the database is started. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
I don't want to use my words, but I want you to use your words to understand it and then to use your words. Right?
Yeah. So actually, with this, is I just have to reset the logs.
With that one?
Mm-hmm.
No. Did you allow reset logs corruption?
No.
Do that. Alter system set open double quotation allow underscore reset logs underscore corruption. The thing is that it's slow. That internal error code, usually it has to do with the redo log files. Alter system set.
Double quotation.
Yeah, open.
Open, right?
Yes.
You have two SQL backup.
Yeah.
Open. No, not open. Underscore.
You said open. Wait, you said alter system set, right?
Yes.
Quotation.
Yes. Underscore allow underscore reset logs underscore corruption.
Typo. You're right. See.
I hope it's a typo. Okay, corruption. CORR.
Double R.
Two R's. Yes. Okay. Close the double quotation.
Close underscore
Yes.
or
No, close the double strings. Okay. Equals.
Okay.
True. Space scope equals SP file. SP file.
That's it.
Yes. Semicolon. Enter. If even to alter system, it's taking so long. Wow. Okay. And then after you want to shut down immediate, startup mount, at database open. If it still gives you that error, shut down again, at database open. Do it at least 3 times. If after 3 times it's still giving you that error, then
Immediate. Cameroon English.
If after that error is still giving an issue,
Immediate, or database open.
Something is wrong with your
startup mount, the auto database open, writing somewhere because she's gonna leave.
Why did you shut down immediate?
I mean, you said shut down immediate, right?
Anyway, it's okay. The database wasn't open anyway. But it's best to use shut down abort. You can already see that the service is very slow. So
okay, let me use shut down abort.
It's okay. It's already closed. It's already closing. You won't be able to do the whole thing. So after you start up mount, after the base open, try many times after the base open or open. If it still gives that error, try it at least 3 times, right? And if it's still giving you that same error, then try to recover from a consistent backup. It means that there is an error somewhere with your control files.
Then if it's still like, I could go ahead and create new control files, right?
No. This is not a control file issue. Usually when you have internal error code like this, it has to do with the redo information. Something is wrong with the redo. Otherwise, it would have told you control files belongs to an older incarnation or system needs help or whatever.
Oops, that was slow.
And you need to write down that error. Someone might ask you about that on your interview day, or 600. You need to write it down and document how you were able to fix it.
Yeah, I already wrote it down.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Because one of my first time seeing that error, like I took it on Google, they told me like I have to contact Oracle. So I knew it was a very tough error. Yeah, really.
Or you can also check the alert logs to have more information about what's going on. If it gives you more information, if it does, you can check the alert log.
I checked alert log earlier, but it didn't give that much information about the error.
Well, that was sure, and our board would have been faster. Anyway, it's 10 now.
Okay, I will just keep trying. Thank you, Emerald.
You're welcome. You can send me a message if it's still giving you an issue after you start up Mount and open the database. So you just let me know.
Okay, thank you.
Don't send her a message at midnight.
Not to, I don't even have a phone. I'll try to see if I can fix my phone.
Don't text Emerald at midnight.
No, not to my phone doesn't. My
boyfriend will start questioning her that are you still fishing at midnight?
No, my phone doesn't send messages from 10 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a nice phone, right?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Don't talk like that. Then you go behind and send message to Emerald.
Oh, not to. Come on. I don't even, my phone can't send message above 10 o'clock. That's when I set the phone. Okay, guys. Let me leave.
Okay, see you.
Back out.
Okay, thank you. Chinedu.
Yeah, with that error, what did you put down for the solution? Like, shut down a bird.
Don't worry, Chinedu. You encounter an error one day, right? I'll send it to you. Chinedu, I'll send it in the group, right?
Okay. All right, cool.
All right, Chinedu.
Yeah, send it right now, though.